Welcome to this comprehensive review of the Bitpanda wallet, a popular platform designed for seamless and secure cryptocurrency management. Bitpanda wallet offers users the ability to store, manage, and exchange their digital assets with ease, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crypto enthusiast. The interface is intuitive, with features tailored to enhance the user experience, such as multi-asset support and robust security measures to protect your investments. In this video, we'll walk through how to sign up, navigate the platform, and make the most of Bitpanda's functionality. After logging in, the dashboard gives a clear overview of your portfolio, displaying your cryptocurrency holdings, current values, and transaction history. You can easily deposit funds into your wallet by selecting the deposit option, choosing your preferred payment method, and following the secure prompts. Purchasing cryptocurrencies is straightforward, thanks to the platform's streamlined process and transparent fee structure. Bitpanda supports various assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, providing ample diversity for building your portfolio. The wallet's built-in exchange feature allows you to swap one cryptocurrency for another without leaving the platform, saving you time and ensuring a seamless experience. For those focused on security, Bitpanda offers multiple layers of protection. You can enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and monitor login activities to keep your account secure. The platform also complies with European financial regulations, ensuring transparency and reliability. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Continuing with Bitpanda Wallet, one standout feature is the savings plan, which allows users to automate their cryptocurrency purchases. By setting up a recurring buy plan, you can invest incrementally and avoid the challenges of market timing. This makes it an excellent choice for long-term investors. Additionally, the platform's user support is commendable, with detailed FAQs, guides, and customer service ready to assist you in troubleshooting any issues. For those new to the crypto space, Bitpanda Academy offers educational resources to build your knowledge about blockchain, trading, and digital currencies. Don't forget to explore the referral program, where you can invite friends to join Bitpanda and earn rewards when they sign up and use the platform. It's a great way to share the benefits of this versatile crypto wallet with your network. If you're looking for a wallet that combines simplicity, security, and versatility, Bitpanda Wallet is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more cryptocurrency reviews, and remember to hit the like button to support this content.